Hello, guys. So you're welcome to my live stream. Good evening. Um, I just say let me try this Pocket 3 camera. As you can see, I believe the live stream is clean. It looks good. I love the quality, and this is it's a hotel. Hello, hello. Okay. So this is a hotel where I'll be staying for today, probably tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining. If you are new here, let me know that you are new. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm happy to have you here. As I'm streaming today, I think I'll try and stream for a very long time, even though when I'll be sleeping. I'll try and stream. Let me just see what happens. And if you are here, you're welcome. And if it is your first time of you coming to my YouTube channel, first, you're welcome. I wanted to try this thing using the, the OBS, but it was kind of stressful, so I just have to just stream on YouTube direct instead of stressing myself. You're welcome. Maybe some people want to see my room. Let me see my room. You see, this is my whole room. The window is open. Funny enough, this room does not have the room does not have wardrobe. So my power bank. Anytime I travel, I always travel with my power bank so that I will not be stranded. So I don't know that I'm feeling sleepy. It's just that I'm tired. And my body needs to rest. Can't even push it very fast. Must stream. No. If I don't have strength, I will rest. Yes, no. Cannot come and kill myself. Yeah, hello guys. Good evening. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. How am I looking? I'm looking so tired, man, because it has been a stressful day for me, and I'm just gonna take some rest. Good evening. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. How am I looking? I have to close this so that people coming outside. This is a tissue. I'm so tired to even arrange things in this place. Okay. Oh my god.
Alice babies. My brother, she is loving me. She is so. Because your brother loves you, he goes around just harassing you. You know who I am. Like, I want to unleash my. Please do your Halima, you need to talk to your brother. So that
Guys, I'm just resting. Just need to rest. So please don't say I just need to rest. I'm tired, man.
come with me, guys. I have 500,000 naira to give this family of two. Come with me, guys. So, hello, ma. Hello, ma. Are you eating today? No. Okay.
Let's know where you're watching from. As for me, I'm here. Just tired, man. Welcome, guys. This is my hotel room.
The Arab countries in the Gulf are very angry. This is a war that they did not want and they tried to prevent. But could they end up getting drawn into it? Iran has been firing hundreds of missiles and drones at them, not just at the U.S. military bases on their territory, but also at civilian infrastructure and energy infrastructure. Iran's strategy is to sow chaos and disrupt the regional economy, increase the pain for Arab governments so that they put pressure on the U.S. to stop the airstrike. But that could backfire, especially if the economy takes a serious and long-term hit. There's a risk that the Gulf states could end up joining the war effort. So right now, they have refused to let the U.S. launch attacks from their airspace or from their territory. That could change. At some point, they might even decide that they want to join military operations. We're not there yet. They're very focused on defense, and they don't want to escalate things. But a lot depends on how long this war goes on. The Arab countries
Your message, if you ever wonder why we are full of pride, it's all because of you. Our heart always dropped the same. Oh, so big you were first even when you didn't need. My heart see different land. Now we all got to know that we both made mistakes. I'll go back and do it again. And I'm gonna take it the place. Misunderstood, but appreciated.
Back to our gospel songs, I mean.
Captain Fanny Alpha, good evening. So, how much? I'm here still streaming on TikTok because I was invited for um a youth what do you call it, TikTok live stream. So my setting is here, there. So I'm doing a whole lot at the same time. Anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me? If you can hear me, please just say something in the comment section so that I will know that somebody can hear me. How far, baby? Although you have a